Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And I just want to come to you guys real quick to share a deal with you that I got at Rite Aid. Let me turn this air conditioning down because I don't want this to be making a lot of noise. Okay. So, guys, I didn't plan to do any couponing in Rite Aid, but I got here and I did this fantastic deal. I just happened to go check the clearance. Whenever you're a couponer, you will get used to checking the clearance section. So that's what I did. I went and checked the clearance, and guess what I found? Mederma for kids, but it's in the square box instead of the long rectangular tube. So not only did I find that, but let me show you my other find. I got Palmolive dishwashing liquid for 44 cents, guys. Now, I don't know if you guys were able to catch the Palmolive when it went on clearance at CVS, but it also went on clearance at CVS. So I'm not sure if Palmolive is discontinuing this scent because it is this scent only that I've been seeing on clearance, or if they're redesigning the bottles. I'm not sure. I really don't care. All I know is I'm able to catch these fantastic deals, and I'm very happy about that. And I'm sorry that the lighting is bad, but the sun keeps moving and things, but we're still going to go on with our deal. And let me turn the camera around because I want to show you guys my receipt. But this Mederma gets even better, guys, because the Mederma is $24.99. but it is 75% off. So when the 75% off comes down, it was taken off the price, it comes down to $6.24. But what makes it even better is if you have Ibotta, you definitely want to submit this to Ibotta. If you don't have Ibotta, here is my code. Go ahead and use it, because every time you scan, you get money. And we can help each other save and each other reach different milestones and bonuses that they have. But here is the rebate. It is a $6 rebate. So guys, basically you're paying 24 cents for this. So yes, I'm excited about paying 24 cents for this, but guys, guess what? It's going to be a money maker. So actually there is a $6 coupon that just came out this Sunday that you can use. So when you go to the register, you're going to give them the Mederma. It's going to bring up $6.24. You're going to give them this coupon. You're going to pay 24 cents. Then you're going to submit it to Ibotta with this rebate, and you're going to get $6 back. So guys, that is a money maker. $5.76 money maker. You can't beat that, right? So you might as well just grab all of the Palmolive that's in the clearance section and let the Mederma pay for your Palmolive. That's what I did. So let me turn the camera around because I want to give you the UPCs for each one of these products. So this is the UPC for the Mederma, and you can see that it does not expire until 10/23. Here is the UPC for the Palmolive. And you see, make sure it's clear for you. There you go. So here is my receipt. Here is my receipt. You can see that the Palmolive was regularly $1.79, but with the discount, it comes down to 44 cents. And you can see I got a bunch of them. I didn't clear the shelf. I did leave some for some people. So if you are in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania, go to Rite Aid on 3rd Street, and there's still some Palmolive, and there are still some Mederma. So then you can see there's the Mederma, and it was regularly $24.99, and then it took off $18.74, which brought it down to $6.25. And then you can see my $6 coupon that I used, so it came to $2.89. And then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta for another $6. So I let my Palmolive be paid for from the moneymaker with the Ibotta rebate for the Mederma. Okay, guys, so that's the deal. Go out, get your Mederma, grab all the Palmolive off the shelf. And until next time, keep on safe.